Bibliotheek De Krook, the public library of the Flemish city of Ghent, Belgium, opened in 2017. It is equipped with state-of-the-art technology and has been hailed as an architectural landmark. The library was designed by the Ghent architecture firm Coussée Goris, in cooperation with its Catalonian partner RCR Arquitectes. It comprises an 8-story construction offering spectacular views of the city. The multi-award-winning building has a stark metallic exterior. The walls are made of steel frames, holding large glass sections running from floor to ceiling. Because it follows the natural bend or crook of the river Scheldt, the building has a concave banana shape. Inside, the use of concrete, steel, and glass is continued. As well as multifunction rooms, conference facilities, and a reading café, the building also hosts Ghent University Media Labs and the Nanoeletronics Research Center, IMEC. Bibliotheek De Krook is the host venue for the IFLA Library Buildings and Equipment Satellite Conference 17 to 18 August 2023. The Building Journey.